What's up guys, it's Matt back with some tech news. So Xiaomi has showed off their new foldable phone again in this little short video. So the video shows off the back gesture, which seems handy when the device is in tablet mode. And of course it shows how quickly the double folding screen can go from tablet to phone size, which is pretty cool. Xiaomi's foldable phone is expected in the second quarter of the year, around April-June. It's going to be about half the price of the Samsung Galaxy Fold and of the Huawei Mate X, which is pretty awesome. So this will be around $1,000. So the flexible screen is going to be developed by Visionox, and it looks like it's going to be running Xiaomi's UI. So I'm really excited for this one because it's definitely affordable. This is one that most consumers are going to be able to get because people spend $1,000 on iPhones and Galaxy S10s. They may be able to get this one. So you know, the Samsung Galaxy and the Mate X are around like $2,000, $2,500, and those are extremely expensive. A lot of people will not get them. So what do you guys think? Would you guys pick this up? Let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.